Terri. It's Miss Terri from the Crystal Lake Public Library, and I am here to share some things with you because I am celebrating Earth Day. And did you know it is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day? Earth Day started way back in 1970, and now it's 2020. It's the 50th anniversary. We're going to start out by doing a rhyme about bees. And you know, bees are so important to the earth. So let's do a few things about bees today. First, we're going to make a beehive with our fist. Do you know this rhyme? Here's a beehive. Can you do it with me? Here is a beehive, but where are the bees? Hidden inside where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz. Can you buzz your bees around? Buzz. Watch out. Buzz. You're a little ticklish. Oh, let's do it again. One more time. Here is a beehive, but where are the bees? Hidden inside where no one can see. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzz. Oh my goodness, those bees, they get all over the place, don't they? Now I have a story to share with you, and I just love this book. It is called Beehive by Joy Hurley, and it's published by Simon & Schuster, and they've allowed us to share this with you. Beehive by Joy Hurley. Now the book starts out with the sound that bees make. And bees make a sound that goes like what? Buzz. Do you know how they make that sound? Buzz. It is caused by their rapid wing beats vibrating in the air. Bzzz. This page says swarm. Now a swarm is the queen bee and the worker bees looking for a new hive. So they've all swarmed away from their old hive and they're buzzing around looking for a new hive. Do you see these beautiful purple and pink flowers? The next page says explore. Now the scout bees, they go ahead to find the new hive. And once they find the hive, they're going to do a special dance. It says find on this page. And those scouts do a dance and they let all those other bees know, hey, I found a good place for the hive. Buzz, 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 buzz. And look what they found. They found a tree and they're going to have their hive in the hollow part of that tree. And this page says build. They build a nest and they're making honeycombs in there, in that tree. See the honeycombs? And this page says lay. That queen bee, that's the biggest bee there, that queen bee lays an egg in each cell of the honeycomb. This page says feed. Now those worker bees, they go around and they feed those little bees, their little larvae right now, and they feed them about 1,000 times a day. Can you believe it? Those are some hungry larvae. And this page says grown. 18 days later, those bees are already grown enough to fly. And they can just go fly right out and their wings beat about 230 times per second. Oh my gosh. Can you like fly like 230 beats per second with your arms? I don't know. That would be very hard. Now the bees fly out and they collect. They collect nectar and pollen from the flowers. Do you see those beautiful big flowers? What color are those flowers? Orange. And after they collect, they pollinate other plants and flowers with the pollen that they collected. Now on this page, there are always going to be some bees that are back with the hive, guarding the hive. And do you see it says guard right here? And there is a skunk trying to get to the hive. What do you think that skunk wants? I think it wants that honey, some nectar out of their beehive. But oh, I don't think they're going to let the skunk get to it, because what do you think is going to happen to that skunk? Sting! Oh no, they sting! They're stinging the skunk, and the skunk is running away. That is not fun to be stung by a bee. So the skunk is running away from the hive. Now, it says keep. They keep that hive going, and they keep that nectar until they turn it into honey. Yummy honey. Do you like to eat honey? Maybe honey on some bread. There's all kinds of things you can put honey on to sweeten it up. And there they are with their honey, and that is the end of our story. Back here it has all this information about bees that I read, so I would learn more. And that book was called Beehive by Joy Hurley. And I want to thank you for being here today to celebrate Earth Day, and make sure that you are kind to all the bees. Have a great day. Bye.